Good afternoon, dear students of class 6. Hope you all are fine and well at your homes. As we are doing chapter 18, that is parallel lines and transversal, in the series of this chapter, we are at the exercise 18C. For this, we have to study the corresponding angles, alternate angles, and interior angles. Corresponding angles are here in the figure A and B. Their value is equals to each other. And second one are alternate angles. They make the figure like figure Z. Their value also equals to each other. And in interior angles, they both are on one side of the transversal, and they make together the angle of 180 degree, means their sum is equals to 180 degree. So mainly we have to do here the questions based on these three type of angles. Now question number 2 I am writing here. Find the value of each one of the lateral angles giving reasons. So here is the figure. In this figure we have to find the value of angle x and angle y. Here the two angles are given. One is of 35 degree and next one is of 25 degree. So the values of these lateral angles are equals to their means angle x equals to 25 degree. Why? Because they are making the shape of lateral z and they are called alternate angles. So alternate angles are equal to each other. That's why the value of angle x equals to 25 degree, and in the similar manner here the value of angle y equals to 35 degree. Now in part 4 also we have to find the value of angle A and B. Here also they are making the shape of letter Z. As alternate angles are equal to each other, that's why angle A's value equals to 70 degree and angle B's value equals to 40 degree. This work you have to write down in your maths notebook along with the figure. You have to make the figures neatly with scale, using scale and pencil. This work you have to do in your maths notebook. So we have completed question number 2 all parts. Now we are at part number 3, question number 3. This question is in the same manner as we have done question number 2. Find the value of each of the lateral angles giving reasons. Here also we have to find the values of lateral angles. So here is the lateral angle is A. Here also two lines are here and one line is cutting them at distinct points. So that this line is called transversal. So the angles made by transversal are corresponding angles, alternate angles. Here also these two angles are corresponding to each other. That's why their value will be equal to each other. That's why angle A equals to 130 degree. Reason I am writing here corresponding angles are equal. In part number second also the value of angle x we have to find. So here also we can say the value of angle x equals to 120 degree. In the similar way we can say, because they both are also corresponding angles and the value of corresponding angles are equal. That's why these angles are equals to each other. So up to part number 2 I have explained here. Up to part number 2 we have done. Now part number 3 and 4 of the question number 3 you have to do in your homework. Thank you and have a nice day.